on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 12, the 12 Pro, the new Series 6 watch, and the new MagSafe Charger. So we're going to be starting with the black iPhone 12 here. Nice white box. You have the black phone right there. Right off the bat, probably half the size of what we're used to in their packaging. That's because we will not be getting the adapter nor headphones. All you're getting in this box, the phone and the cable to charge it. That's pretty much it. Now that can be a good thing and a bad thing. I'll tell you why when we get into actually unboxing it. So let's go ahead and just pop it open. There we go. Look at that. That is super slick, super nice black right here. Let's pop this open. Alrighty, so contents in the box, we have the SIM ejector tool, some reading material, one Apple sticker this time, not the usual two that we usually get. That's pretty much it. And here is your one and only accessory in the box, the Type-C to Lightning cable. Now this can pose a problem to some Apple users, as Apple only started using this cable in the previous model, which is the 11 Pro and the Pro Max. So if you've had those phones before, odds are you have the correct power brick to use this cable. If not, and you're used to the regular USB to Lightning, you're gonna have to go out and purchase a power adapter or a wall adapter to use this cable to, get your fast charging. So this is kind of a hit or miss depending on the phone you have. If not, get ready to fork out a little extra bucks to get that wall adapter. All right, so we're gonna peel off the plastic right here. There we go, and that is so crispy. Now I'm a huge fan of this design. I love the flat design. I'm not a big fan of the curved design as the past iPhones I've had. This one is just really nice. Forgive me for the lighting right there. I'm using the light on my phone, as lighting in my room is horrible right now, and I do have to get this phone back to the people who was kind enough to let me unbox this to show you guys. All right, so we have nice glass all the way around. We have the glass right here, the glass in the front, this beautiful band stretching all the way around. Awesome. To the bottom here, we obviously have the Type-C, which I was hoping this year we got the Type-C instead of the Lightning. Correct me, I think I said Type-C a few seconds ago. We have the Lightning port here, which most of us had hoped would have by now become a Type-C. But, oh well, maybe in the next model. We have the dual camera right here, we have the flash, Apple logo. Oh my god, this is a fingerprint magnet. Look at that. Not the matte I was hoping for. Now right here we have the 5G antenna, we have the power button, we have the volume down, volume up, and of course your silent and unsilent, if that's even a word, button. Nice looking phone, pretty cool. So that's the black one. Let's go ahead and check out the blue one. Now you're gonna get the same contents, nothing special. Ooh, that is a beautiful blue. Look at that blue. That is a nice and sexy looking blue. Now, if I was gonna get an iPhone, at least the 12, I'm probably gonna get the blue. Fortunately, I'm an Android guy, so no iPhone for me. But if I had to, the blue would have definitely been the color choice. Look at that. Look at that blue band. That blue band is just sexy. Shout out to everyone out there that got the blue. And of course, any other color, but the blue is just my favorite. Of course, we have the SIM ejector tool here, which I missed on the black one a few seconds ago. But yeah, I'm going to let you guys be the judge. Do you like the blue on the left or the black on the right? Those are two lovely colors. All right. Drop that back in the box right there. And on to the 12 Pro. Now this is going to probably be the sleek. Now, right off the bat, I can tell or notice, or maybe it's just me, but for a quick second, I thought this box was a little bit thicker than this one. All right, but let's check it out. Nice black box, not the white. Now that's how you know your phone is a Pro. If your box is black like this one opposed to the white one, you know immediately that you have a Pro. Pop it open. Wow. Now this blue is different from the 12 blue. And that's because of this matte finish. Wow, this is even more sexier than the other one. And it's heavier too. I believe the metal on this is stainless steel compared to the aluminum you get on the 12. Yeah, you can immediately tell the difference. Oh yes. Wowzer, this is nice. Now, if I had to choose between the two of them, I would spend a few extra $100 to get the Pro for the simple fact that the back is so much nicer than it is on the 11. Like, you can immediately see right here on the camera my fingerprint as I kind of try to wipe it off. But here, it's like a fingerprint. Correct me. It's like a fingerproof proof. It's fingerprint proof. That's what I'm trying to say. Wow, this is nice. Now the band on the 12 Pro does not match the color, which is this blue back. It seems like it's just a black band when compared to the blue band that you get on the 12. Now it does seem like it is a little bit thicker. Yes, it is. It's a little bit thicker than the 12. So the 12 Pro is thicker than the base 12, and it seems it's a little bit taller by just by a pinch. But all the button placements are located on the same location as they are on the 12. Now you do get that third camera right there. Now full specs for all these phones will be in the description below, as I will not be going over specs. This is just a unboxing. We're just gonna quickly power them on. Hopefully we have power. There we go. And I'm gonna just get them to the home screen and we'll just kind of navigate through it, see what's new. Alrighty, and there we have them both at the home screen. Now, nothing special going on there with the home screens. They're pretty much the same as the older iPhones, just with this newer update. Of course, now we have these folders right here. If you swipe to the left, there we go. We have some of these apps already kind of pre-foldered for you, so you can go ahead and just, I guess, navigate through this. Maybe you want to customize it or leave it as it is and just get used to the way it's laid out. But that's pretty nice. And now, of course, we have widgets, finally, so we can kind of move like the calendar to now your home screen, or you can remove it. There's so much now you can do with the widgets. It's kind of like an Android, very similar to an Android, but not quite the same. And yeah, and that's pretty much the phone, guys. Pretty nice looking phones. I'm happy Apple actually came back to this kind of rectangular, square looking phone. Pretty nice. Alright, on to the MagSafe Charger. This is, of course, a brand new MagSafe Charger from Apple. Let's pop this open, see what we get. And there's the charger. Perfect. Alright, let's slide it out. We have the huge cord right there. Huge, huge cord. I'm not going to open it all the way. We're just going to test it out. And look at that. Actually, it's a pretty strong magnet. Look at that. Wow. Alright, let me go plug it in. See what. So it turns out, unfortunately, at this moment, I do not have a Type-C to Lightning adapter. I thought I had one, but I actually don't have a Type-C to Lightning. I do have a 11 Pro Max, which means I should have one, but I can't seem to find that adapter. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to test it on screen for you guys. However, I'm pretty sure it does work. And the magnet just kind of goes on there. You can kind of feel like it just magnetizes into place. It works well on the Pro. And of course it works well on the, yeah, and that's not going anywhere. That's on there, guys. Wow. Pretty cool MagSafe charger. I'm digging this. I'm just curious Now, my only concern with this MagSafe charger is how good it's going to connect when you have a case on. Now, if you're going to be using something like an OtterBox or any tough, bulky case, this might not work properly. I can kind of feel that it's not going to work properly, so you're probably going to either have to have some nice thin cases where the magnet strength is similar to what it is without a case, or you're just going to have to take it out of your chunky case and charge the phone if you really want to use the MagSafe charger. Of course, you can always go the regular route and just plug it in directly into the port. And that's the MagSafe charger for you. On to the Apple Watch. Let's pop this bad boy open, see what we get. I'm just going to rip off the plastic. There we go. Plastic is ripped. Now, box, very similar to the older series, nothing special with the box here. However, this is the blue one. I've never seen the blue Apple Watch. Now look at that box, isn't that nice? We have the inside of this packaging. It kind of shows some various band options, some color choices, just pretty nice packaging right here. Gonna get that out the way. So let's take a look at the bands. There we go. I always like how Apple makes it so easy to just unbox their stuff. You just have the little tab, you pull, and you're pretty much set. Alrighty. Here we go. Check it out. There are the blue band options. So of course you have the medium/large, and then you have the small/medium. So this can pretty much fit any size of arm, unless you have really big arms or really tiny arms. But for the most part, these bands that you get with the watch usually fits perfectly. All right, moving on to the watch. It's like we're unboxing three boxes here. Alrighty, let's start off with this piece right here. This is going to be some material, just some reading material. Of course, we have the watch charger, pretty much the same as the older series, nothing special here. Magnetized right here, and then your USB is in the center right there. You just plug it into a USB adapter. And of course, we have the blue watch. Check that out. Now, how cool is this blue? Now, this blue is really nice. Now, let's compare it to the iPhone. Now, one thing I must say, if you're getting the Pro and also getting the Series 6 watch here, the blue is not the same shade. The blue one here is a lot darker than it is on the 12 Pro here. But if you're getting it with the 12, it's a much closer match. There we go. I am hoping you guys are able to see this. It's a way better match to the 12 than it is to the Pro. But the Pro does, you know, just way much more, it just feels much more premium than the 12, hence why you're paying that few extra $100 to get it. Yeah, so that's the new Apple products. They're awesome. Wait, is there a screen protector on here? It almost fooled me, guys and gals. I honestly thought there was a screen protector here on this Apple Watch, but it's not. It's just my imagination. And that completes my quick Apple unboxing here. We have the black 12, the blue 12, the blue 12 Pro. We have the Series 6 watch, and of course the new MagSafe charger. Pretty cool stuff here, guys. If you are going to get one of these, drop it in the comment below. Do you prefer the Pro, or are you going to stick with the 12? In my personal opinion, I honestly feel the 12 will outperform the 12 Pro for the simple fact it's cheaper and the design is pretty much identical, with the exception of this having the stainless steel compared to the aluminum. It does have the extra camera right here, which is the wide angle. Well, actually not the wide angle, but it does have the extra camera here, and it is heavier. Other than that, they're kind of the same. I think this is going to be the winner this year for the new iPhones. Comment down below what you think. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see everybody in the next video.